So good teachers take the time to listen to their students. My first day of class was yesterday, so I took the perspective. I wanted students to ask questions about me. What type of person am I? What type of dad am I? What type of gamer am I? Why did I do driver's education? And it was really a fun class. Also, I realized in the back of my mind, we've got to cover 15 chapters, right? And every state and province is different. And if this is bringing value to you, you need to, subscribe. You need to like my content because this is aimed at an adult or teen who wants to learn how to drive. So I want to continue. So what do good students bring in? They have a clipboard. They have pens and pencils, highlighted markers. They want to learn. And I use a lot of graphs, charts, and tables. Sometimes I call it graphic organizers. These things help you understand. And what I normally do, I use a graphic organizer and I have my students explain it in a way that is comfortable to you. I want you to put the lenses of a beginning driver on, and that is the person that this is aimed toward. This is not aimed towards someone who has 5, 7, 10 years of experience. You can just move forward. But if you're a person who wants to constantly improve, that's what this is about. There's a lot of information. I call it AP driver's education. And in that sense, you've got to really listen. And because I've evolved, I use Kahoot. I have my own series of Kahoots. And if you're interested in that, subscribe. I can do some custom teaching sessions. I use Quizlet. That's another tool that I can use to gauge where my students are. I use different social medias, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. I have various other videos that I use to really increase the knowledge. And that's why you come into the class.